Guys, Figma is shaking. I came across this UI design AI tool that can literally 10 times your work rate as a product designer. This tool allows you to do AI wireframing, prototyping, AI UI generation, and many more. The good thing about this platform is that they already have preloaded UI components and a lot of templates that cut across website templates, mobile application templates, web application templates, and many more. This tool feels illegal already. I prompted their AI tool and I was able to generate this UI dashboard that is readily editable and reusable for me. The good thing about this platform again is you can also convert your designs from this platform and convert it into a Figma file in minutes. If this tool sounds like something you want to explore, then let's dive straight into this YouTube tutorial. Guys, so today I'll be testing this design tool that promises to turn your text into a full wireframe instantly. This platform is called Visily, and in this video I'll be walking you through exactly what it can do, how it works, and whether it's worth adding to your design toolkit. Basically, Visily is an AI-powered wireframing and mockup tool designed for people who want to move fast. Whether you're a product manager, a startup founder, early stage designer, all of those. So instead of you designing from scratch, you can literally just pull up Visily and you will be right there, right? Instead of dragging rectangles for hours, you can start with AI prompt on Visily, pick from templates, because Visily has like couple templates right here that you can play around with, like see website, login, app, homepage, literally see. They have like a whole lot of templates right here that you can play with. And you can also collaborate with your team just like you can do on Figma today. So Visily is one app that I want to try out today and see what they have and things that they actually have going on. Right. So this is one of the templates that I just picked out. This is for courses, recommended for your digital illustrations. And yeah, basically it looks really good actually. I'm not gonna lie, but they have like a lot of templates right here that you can explore, right? So let's try something on Visily today. So Visily has an AI where you can use, I've already used the AI to generate like a whole lot of stuff yesterday, but let me try something else today. So when I come to Visily today, see, this is the last thing that I tried, and let me come here again and try to connect. I think this is trying to reconnect to my internet, so let it work. Right now, when it's done reconnecting, then we do the AI generation. All right, so let's try the AI feature that we have today. I think I tried this yesterday, and this is still in my history, but let's try. What I tried yesterday was to help me design an expense management dashboard, and this is what it gave me, right? It gave me an editable UI which I can literally play around with and just edit, right? And one thing about Visily is, say, I can move around my text and everything right here, and also I can play around some of my fields right here. But one thing, let's try another prompt so that you guys can see the extent of what Visily can do. So let's say I need a grocery app, a grocery dashboard, a grocery app, mobile dashboard. I'm not trying to prompt it so much right now because I don't have too much time on this, but let's quickly prompt something. I need a grocery app mobile dashboard. Sleek, modern and sleek. Modern and sleek. So let's see what it's going to give us out of this. So as that is running, we also have like other things. See, something good is happening. So basically, Visily is just is that AI power tool, and also you can also design from scratch. I've been mentioning that, oh, they have templates, they have AI things and all that. This is one of the things that I generated yesterday. There's something about Visily that you don't still know, which is you can screenshot something. If you come here now, you say screenshot to wireframe. You can screenshot an image online and bring it to Visily, and Visily is going to create a UI that looks like that for you. And one thing about it is I screenshotted this image yesterday. Yeah. And this is what Visily gave me. Visily gave me a replica of it and even kind of remixed it so that it doesn't look generic. That's what I like about Visily. Visily is really, really, really cool, guys. So yeah, that's one other feature you should look out for. So like I was saying earlier, that you can also start your design from scratch, which is you come here, you can get screens just like on Figma. If you want to design for mobile, this is iPhone 14 screen. Just drag it here and you can start designing, right? Or you want a 15 Pro Max screen, you can start designing your elements right here on Visily. And also you need containers like your frames inside of Figma, which you can add your colors and stuff to it. So Visily has that too inside of Visily, that you can play around and play around here inside of Visily. So yeah, I've seen a lot of stuff. We also have like image placeholders inside of Visily. So we have overlays, we have rectangles, we have lines, we have heading text. Now that one thing I like about Visily is that they have preset components for you to play around. So now you can move around, you can do all of those things. This is the AI stuff is still generating, so that I don't waste our time. That's why I'm still keeping it here. So you have like a lot of components right here. If you have to see your drop down, if you drag your drop down inside of here right now, see is he already has like a proper design system already made for you. You don't need to start recreating all these things. In Figma, you have to like start recreating. There's overstate, there's focus state, there is disabled state. Like, yo, these guys are amazing. And here you can change the icons inside of the drop down. Inside of Figma today, you can't really do too much. But here, see, I can change this icon within like minutes to a desired icon that I want, right? Like, I love Visily right now for this feature for these things that they have here. And yeah, I can also add a label to it. See, in come here, I can add my label inside or outside. I can say I don't want a label at all. Oh, what's this? Yeah, I can say I don't want a label at all. I think this is my internet that's causing this problem. So I can say I don't want a label at all. I can say a padlock. I can just switch around. Then I can also play around the corner radius, right? And I can turn this to a placeholder where I can type in my text today. Like, it's really, 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 really nice. So here also I can come and say that I can just drag anything. This is a button group, like a what they call it, like a tab. So you can play around also with this, and you can also add more tab into this. When you just click tag and say new buttons, like Visily is really good for beginners. If you don't have a lot of knowledge about designs and stuff, you can play around in Visily. Also, they have like their graphs. You don't need to start designing graphs from scratch again. So let me just play around the colors and switch so that you can see all of the colors that they have. See the legends. So I can come here now and add more, and just click on add, and I should get more. Let's say how many legends do I have? I need 5. See, and I can keep adding more right here. Right, it's really Visily is like that guy for you, man. Automated, everything is so. If you check this graph to see the pie chart, you can come here, you can switch your colors, you can even create your own custom colors right here and play around with it. But because of our time today, I will not do that. See around, then you can increase the position of your legend. You can see, like, oh my god, number of columns, number of rows, number of all this normal thing that you would do today in Figma is what this guy is doing for you. So let's pause on that. Right now we have our grocery store app ready. See what Visily gave us, guys. We are good to go as a startup if we're looking to like start up something for for our startup. We don't need to, you can just come and say, oh, we already have a design to a designer and say, this is our idea. Imagine a product manager coming to Visily. It's like, yo, this is my idea. And the only thing a designer is supposed to just do here is to just come in and use their brand guides, adjust a little bit of some of the icons, and give it a more personal brand, and give a more personal and make the app here personalized to that brand. Rather, that's what I want to say. So like switch the colors and make some arrangement, but he has given you high level design of what you want, right? All I just need to do now, and again, you can even switch up to the style that you want here instead of Visily. And also you can come here and add this guy to the board. And if you need to do anything to adjust any of your text or anything, you can also prompt the AI or come inside Visily directly. It's giving you editable. It's not giving you a picture. It's editable fields all around. Editable fields all around. Like guys, this is really amazing. I know there are some little bit shaky alignment stuff here that you need to fix by yourself here, but you can just come in and fix them by yourself. But for real MVP or trying to, if you're a developer, you're looking for a UI that you want to build or something like that, Visily is your guy. So right now, this is what we've been able to generate as this. And there's something that I like about Visily again, which is so their input fields are like how do I want to say it now? Their input fields are more like, let me create a flow for this and preview it. Let me do a quick preview. You see what I'm saying? Their their input fields are typable. Like see the search now. I can search instead of the search, right? Like I can literally search inside of it, and it's making it look more like it's working prototype. Like Figma doesn't have it, and that's one thing that I noticed. All of their text box, text area, everything is pre-made components, and you can work around with it. Right now, if I come to this checkbox and do this, if I drag a checkbox outside here now, see, I can literally, everything has its own style. Can you see? Like the component are already there, and I can add more checkboxes if I want to. If you're working on a dashboard today, you are see. If you're working on an e-commerce platform, see, your components are already set. You don't even need to do too much in it, right? And it is really, really nice. Now, see the counters too are really, really cool. See, they've already done it down. There's nothing we are looking for again inside of this guy. Everything is like really, really cool and sorted. I think one other thing that I need to check here is that I wanted to show you guys was, I think they have like navigate, they have tables too. Like if you're looking to design a table right here, right? See, the table is already preset. If you're working on a dashboard or anything and you need more table components or more rows, you don't even need to start creating them again or doing Control D like on Figma. Just come to this guy, or you need this avatar section again. Just come right here, right? If you need more, just come to checkbox. Yeah, you should be able to see plus. See, it asks you what you want to create again. So maybe I need a button. It's going to tell me to do this. Then I can move it around with this button that is here. I can move around with it. Can you see? And I can put it anywhere that I want to put it. Then again, I can come here. I can over on this guy and say, oh, I need another. I need ratings. So can you see that? And I can move that around with auto layout. And another thing is that I can also style my table, right? There's a way to style my table. If I don't want this kind of style for my table, I can adjust the table style. Can adjust the grid style, say, to the normal fancy one that don't have lines. And I can do only one line, and I can do the one that doesn't have any line at all. Like like these guys are really amazing guys. I'm not gonna, and you can clear the entire cell if you don't want to get. So you can switch up back, you can clear the entire cell for empty states and all that. The same thing, if you come here again, there are like really amazing features here. This text to design is what I did for the AI. Then the screenshot is the one that I mentioned I did yesterday, which is I had to like take a screenshot of one of these guys and I used it to generate this. image yesterday. So again, you can do one feature that I also like again here is you can switch between low fidelity to high fidelity in just a click here on Visily. So if you're working on like a, let's say, a case study or something, and you are here on Visily, and maybe you need the wireframes and all that, you can come here on Visily and switch your entire design into a wireframe, put it into your case study, and you are good. And you can now switch back to Visily here, and do you understand? Like, it's really, really, really cool stuff. One other thing that aside from templates, they have like a lot of templates right here. If you're working on different forms, navigation, menu, all of these things, they have all of these things sorted for you. Yeah, they also have like a lot of icons, guys. See, 33k icons, Neoclo icons, very fancy icons, material icons, software icons, remix icons, um, box icons, and lucid icons. Like, guys, there's a lot of resources here on Visily. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And they have the field and they have the outlined icons. Then they also have like the diagram where you can do your chart flow on the same page as your design. You know, we have Figjam. Figjam is like separate from Figma. These guys have everything sorted on one design file. I don't need to start sending different links to my clients. And as my client is on this page, I can literally come here, get a template for my client and say, oh, I want a template for, let me go to wireframe and say template. I want template for my client says, oh, I need to build this new web app. I can come here and say, okay, what do you need? You say, oh, you need to be able to collect their first name, last name, Here, I'm already starting. All I just need to go back to is to sort some of these things that they've said and use it to brand them properly, then give them the application. The same thing happens here. Visily is like giving you head start ahead of every other designer, guys. Then they also have like the drawing tools where you are able to like play around with your pen, the pen tool, and all those guys. I think what they have is not really a pen, is a pencil, not a pen tool. Yeah, you know, the pen tool that we have today on Figma that you can from one point to the other, but this is like a pencil. Then they have like the marker where they can use to like annotate and tell people what to do. Then you can switch the colors here, right here, and it's gonna switch. Then here is just for the thickness of the lines, and here is for you to select whatever you're working on. So basically, Visily is really nice, and I'll recommend. You can also share your project, and you can. They also have demo mode, just like a Figma, and Visily you can search. Literally, if you can't find anything right here, you can search, and you can play around with anything here on Visily. And again, I think yeah, you can also drop comments for people just like you do on Figma today. If you come on Figma, you're like, oh, this button is not so good, not so good, right? Then you can change, right? You can change. Then you click on send. You're supposed to send. I don't know. My internet is off right now. I don't know what's going on. But when I send that, it shows your area and everybody sees it. Then the next thing to do again is you can share your design file with people, just like you share on Figma today. You can copy the link and send, add different members to it. And one other thing again is you can convert your design to Figma. You can convert this design that you have today here. You can copy and paste it inside of Figma, guys. Inside of Figma, guys. So now there's a plugin on Figma. Let me get that Figma plugin for you. So if I come on Figma today, there's a plugin here called, let me see if I saved it. There's a plugin called Visily, yeah, Visily Screen Export Elements from Figma. So if you come here today, you can run this plugin on Figma and you can use it to get your Visily app inside of Figma, right? It's really easy, really, really, really easy. So when you come on Visily today, just come here, copy and paste, copy. See, it tells you to convert to Figma. See, open Visily plugin on Figma. Really, really, really nice. What this is going to do for you is that it's going to help you download a .fig file, but you can also do the faster way, which is you can copy your UI like this now. You can just come here and copy your UI, copy it, and come on Figma. If the plugin has loaded, I don't know what's wrong with my internet right now, but I don't know. I'm not able to access any internet right now. But yeah, when you do that, you can come inside of Figma and paste your design. And if your plugin works, the plugin is definitely going to work because it's supposed to like load up. But you can play around with it and see. Just type Visily on your plugin list. When you come here, see it tells you like copy the screen elements in Visily and paste inside of Figma. So you see that. And the funny thing is, it's going to be editable. It is going to be editable, guys. Like it's going to be editable. Nothing is going to be shaky. The only thing you might need to do is to do adapt your design to auto layout and some things, but your input feed, your text, everything will remain the same basically. So Visily has been like really nice. I've been exploring it and I'm saying you guys have done a really good job. Yeah, like if I'm a designer at Visily, I will be really happy because you guys have done a lot of nice job. And I just wanted to say something about like the AI guys. Like you guys are amazing. So like also just like I said, um basically just to summarize, everything that I like about Visily, right, is fast ideas to wireframe workflow because you can quickly type in your text or your prompt inside of Visily and you will get your designs just like I showed earlier. That you will literally get it. Like this grocery app that I did, like see how it generated this in minutes for me. All I just need to do is to replace my images when I want to do that. Then the other thing is like it's great for brainstorming for non-designers, especially product managers, startup founders, and all of that. You can just subscribe on Visily and you would be able to access all of those things. The AI is amazing, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. The AI is amazing, very amazing. Then also another thing is it's good for beginners friendly interface. It's really simple to navigate. You can literally access everything that you need to do. It's just like you using Canva to do your UI design. Really nice and amazing. So now here are things that I would probably improve if these are like recommendations for Visily right now, which is the AI layout accuracy hits and miss sometimes. Like right now, I'm supposed to get like what do you call it? A grocery person or a grocery animation here. But I'm just getting this placeholder here for it. So I think there's still a little bit of work around it. But for now, I would say I'll give it a 70% of 100 because this is really nice. And for an AI to generate this at this age, then you guys have been really working and I'll give you 70 over 100. Again, one other thing is that some of the templates are just for ideations. They're not like the final prototype, but it can give you 10 times speed ahead of any other designer because the ideas are already there for you to pick together and put together, and you can deliver MVPs in just very few days because of Visily. Right? And that's what everybody wants right now: speed and whatnot, right? So a little bit of what I'll still say is it still lacks some little bit of fine control designers might want, which is a little bit of adjustment, but most times designers will usually need to put it out by themselves. So yeah, why not? So just to wrap up here is Visily is perfect. Like Visily is perfect. If you want to validate an idea very fast, Visily is perfect for you. If you want to collaborate on wireframes, ideations, and things without overwhelming your teams, everybody can literally pump the AI and get new designs. Yes, Visily is perfect for you. You can start designing without opening Figma or like any other tool. Visily is the guy for you because you can do wireframing, you can do prototyping, you can do user flows inside of Visily without having to switch between different applications. And that's what I want to say. So basically, um, if you're looking to validate your ideas very fast, collaborate with your team without overwhelming them, and you're looking to start designing without even knowing how to use Figma, I'm telling you, if this sounds like you, then you should sign up on Visily today. So also, Visily has this package for you guys. I have a promo code on Visily Kent. So if you want to sign up on Visily and get 25% off your Visily subscription, then you can sign up using my promo code Paul Kent, and you will be given 25% off your subscription for a year. So guys, that is how amazing the Visily platform is. And let me know if you'll be trying it out. And don't forget to use my promo code Kent. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.